Why is it so important to follow every detail of this video? The answer is simple. Breakfast is the meal that sets the tone for the rest of your day. By understanding the right foods to include, you will be investing in your well-being, energy, and long-term health. Therefore, follow each tip, as every detail makes a difference in the search for a healthier and more balanced life. Let's start. 1. Oat. Oats are a breakfast superfood due to their richness in soluble fiber, especially beta-glucans, which play a key role in regulating blood sugar levels. These fibers promote a slow and steady release of glucose into the bloodstream, preventing energy spikes followed by abrupt drops, which maintains the feeling of satiety for longer and provides a sustainable source of energy throughout the morning. Additionally, oats are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, which provide long-lasting energy and are rich in B vitamins, which play a key role in energy metabolism, making them a nutritious and balanced choice to start your diet. Day 2. Eggs. Eggs are an exceptional choice for breakfast due to their richness in high-quality protein, providing all the essential amino acids needed to build and repair the body's tissues. Additionally, they are an excellent source of choline, a crucial nutrient for brain health as it plays a vital role in the formation of neurotransmitters. Consuming eggs for breakfast helps promote satiety and control appetite throughout the day, avoiding excessive snacking between meals. Furthermore, they are versatile and can be prepared in a variety of ways, adapting easily to individual preferences, making them a valuable component of a balanced diet. 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a highly beneficial breakfast choice due to its unique combination of high-quality protein, calcium, and probiotics. The abundance of protein helps promote satiety, controlling appetite, and providing sustainable energy throughout the morning. Furthermore, the calcium present in yogurt is essential for the health of bones and teeth, also contributing to proper muscle and nerve function. The most notable aspect is the presence of probiotics, beneficial bacteria for the intestine, which support gastrointestinal health and strengthen the immune system. Choosing Greek yogurt as part of your morning meal not only provides a nutritious base, but also promotes gut health, essential for overall well-being. 4. Fresh fruit. Including fresh fruit in your breakfast is a smart choice due to its richness in essential nutrients and health benefits. Fruits are natural sources of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, providing an initial dose of energy thanks to their natural sugars, while fiber contributes to the feeling of satiety, helping to control appetite and healthy digestion. Additionally, fruits offer a wide range of antioxidants, such as vitamin C and phenolic compounds, which help fight free radical damage and maintain cellular health. Varying the fruits consumed at breakfast allows for a diverse intake of nutrients, contributing to a balanced diet and promoting a feeling of well-being throughout the day. 5. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are a highly nutritious addition to breakfast, offering an abundance of health benefits. They are rich in healthy fats, such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids, which are essential for cardiovascular health, reducing LDL cholesterol and supporting proper arterial function. In addition, nuts and seeds are sources of vegetable protein and fiber, which help maintain a feeling of satiety and control appetite, helping with weight management. These foods are also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, such as vitamin E and selenium, which play important roles in protecting cells from damage and strengthening the immune system. Incorporating walnuts, almonds, chia, or flax seeds into your morning meal can be a delicious and healthy way to boost your nutrition and promote a balanced lifestyle. 6. Bananas. Bananas are a smart breakfast choice due to their balanced nutritional composition and health benefits. They are an excellent source of potassium, a crucial electrolyte that plays a vital role in muscle function, regulating body fluid levels, and maintaining healthy blood pressure. Additionally, bananas are rich in natural carbohydrates such as fructose and resistant starch, providing a quick and long-lasting source of energy. This makes them ideal for replenishing energy reserves in the morning. Bananas are also rich in vitamins, such as vitamin C and B vitamins, which play important roles in the immune system and energy metabolism. Their portability and ease of consumption make them a great food for a healthy and convenient breakfast. 7. Whole grain bread. Whole grain bread is a nutritionally sound choice for breakfast due to its fiber, vitamin, and mineral-rich composition. Unlike white bread, wholemeal bread is made with whole wheat flour, keeping the grain shell and all its nutritious components. This characteristic provides a greater amount of fiber, which contributes to the feeling of satiety and regulates digestion, preventing spikes in blood sugar. Additionally, whole grain bread provides B vitamins, such as niacin and folic acid, which are essential for energy metabolism and cellular health. It is also a source of minerals such as iron and magnesium. Choosing whole grain bread over white bread for breakfast is an effective way to improve the nutritional quality of your morning meal and support a healthier lifestyle. In summary, the foods mentioned in this content are valuable breakfast choices, providing a solid foundation for a healthy lifestyle. The inclusion of oats, eggs, Greek yogurt, fresh fruit, nuts and seeds, bananas, and whole grain bread provides a wide range of essential nutrients, promotes satiety, and helps maintain energy throughout the day. However, it is essential to emphasize that nutrition is an individual issue and needs vary from person to person. Therefore, consulting a healthcare professional, such as a doctor or nutritionist, is essential for personalized guidance and accurate assessments of your dietary needs. Applying these concepts as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle can be highly beneficial, but professional consultation ensures that your food choices are aligned with your specific health needs. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and for prioritizing your health and well-being. If you found these tips useful, share them with friends and family, because everyone deserves to benefit from this valuable knowledge. Don't forget to watch the next video that will appear on the screen, where we will cover more topics relevant to a healthy life. Until next time, and keep looking for the best for you.